Imagine loud horns, shrill horns, long horns, repeated horns. Seeing red yet? From home to work, from work to meetings, from meetings back home, car horns are an annoying problem. Not just my problem, but yours, theirs, and everyone's. Stop. Think. Why? For how long? When will this ever stop? What can I do to make it stop? Laws? Protests? Signature campaigns? Spot fines? These are tried, tested, and failed methods. Do you have a better idea? Hold that thought. Share it now. You and me. Together, we can do something about it. Join the Robolution. Be the evolution. Join me at Robolution.Me.